Hey guys, so we are now in Hong Kong. Naghahanap kami ng makakain. Guys, nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? It's Jollibee. Michelin star siya. Guys, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya.
Yeah, it's been so long.
Hey Sunshines! Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so for today's video, I'm excited to announce, or I'm excited to tell you that we're heading to Hong Kong. So, pupunta kami ng Hong Kong today. And I'm quite nervous kasi first time namin mag-Hong Kong ulit after the pandemic. But we're excited kasi gusto namin makita kung ano pang mga bukas, ano hindi bukas, ano mga bago, ganyan. So, I did my face already. I will upload this look kung paano ko ginawa. And it's kind of simple. It's gonna be an airport look, ganyan. Soft glam lang, pero more on the eyes. And I did a separate video on that. So, i-upload ko din siya. And, ayun. So, for my OOTD, I'll just show you quick lang kung anong sinuot ko right now. So, this is my look. Airport look. So, naka-cords ako. This is parang knitted one. And, yan. Mahaba lang ako na parang sweatshirt na knitted lang din. Then, of course, alahas. And then, nagtali na ako ng hair para hindi magulo siya sa airport. And, I'll be wearing a sneakers lang for this one. Papags kami ulit. We're back, guys.
Requesting all flight-bound passengers to please board the aircraft now 30. Once again, China Airlines.
Hey guys, super cute. I'm she's not asin parang pala but as usual parang Vietnam vlog ko. Please watch it guys. Nag-stay din kami dito sa Paris. Saan po kayo pupunta? Naglayas na naman kayo. Ha? Boarding area. Guys, so we are now in Hong Kong. Yan, kuha kami ng baggage. Pero nasa airport na ako. Oh, it's been a while.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity,
Si Habi.
she's taking
Tumidala ng aking luggage.
falling in love.
Yeah.
Can't take the hint and give
We're getting our bags.
My mama
French.
told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right.
Mas po mga
But it's
duty
not
free.
'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. That could still break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do?
Hey guys, ito yung aming hotel. So this is our room. Diyan ka. Walang ilaw. Walang ilaw sa banyo. Ayan. Ayan. May matinupo kaming banyo this time. hotels. Still small than the usual hotels, pero at least may space tayo this time. Yan. And we have itong importante for me na claustrophobic. May bintana. So, ayan. Nakikita yung labas. Yay! Tada! We're going to 7-Eleven at wala kaming tubig. So, it's 12:30.
Are you lost, birthday?
It's 12:30 a.m. And nandito kami sa Soy Street. We will look for 7-Eleven.
But one thing is true. As long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new. And I can never be blue when it's me and you.
Good morning, sunshines. So, it's not so early in the morning. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan.
Ayan, school guy.
So, I guess, brunch na ito. Ayan. So, yeah, ayan. SKH All Saints Middle School. So, nandito kami sa harap ng isang school. Kasi, andito yung hotel. The hotel is good. We had a good sleep. So, maglalakad kami ngayon along Nathan Road, I believe so. Kasi gusto kong makita ang K11 Mall. Dahil nandun na si Pora! So, I'll see you guys later. Update ko kayo. This is the Nathan Road. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-main road nila. So, still familiar. Dami pa rin. Yeah, well, the buildings are still here.
At least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life. Remember working hard just to keep on the lights. Remember stealing from the Tootsie Roll jar just to have some Del Taco nights. That's right.
Guys, nakikita nyo ba yung nakikita ko? It's Jollibee. Aba, andito na lang din siya sa Nathan Road.
I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new.
So guys, kakain kami here. Let's see, it's a Michelin.
Fried pan, but sabi ni Riley.
Ayun o, signature pan fried buns. Yeah. So guys, we're going to eat here. It's Michelin star siya. Dito sa Tim Cham Chu. It's called the Shanghai pan fried buns. So let's check.
And we made it through. There's nothing in this world that we can't do when it's me and you. I want this forever.
Ada. Ha?
Sabaw.
Sabaw. Yung mali po yung order namin. Puro sabaw. And we found the K11 Mall. La la la.
At least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life.
Masaya na ako sa North Face.
Working hard just to keep on the lights. Remember stealing from the Tootsie Roll jar just to have some
Ginawa ko, tumayo na buti nga lang si BJ nun eh. Dalawa lang ako nagawa.
Guys, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Na black and white. Iwan mo na ako dito. So, nagpaiwan na ako, di ba? Eto na.
Kaya wala ka pa eh.
Habibi.
Ikaw yun yung sa'yo.
Noodles. Totoong restaurant siya, guys. We're going to lunch. And sana masarap.
Man, life is sweet. Looks like it's gonna be you and me. Two little birds flying from our tree.
This is the noodles. So, nag-order kami ng vegetables dahil walang ka-vegetables.
Right by your side, two free birds going for a ride. Doesn't that sound nice? Oh, I'm living at least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life.
Yan, nasa Avenue of Stars po kami. So, walk. That's the other side of Hong Kong. Masarap dito pag gabi kasi mahangin. Although mahangin naman ngayon. Kaya lang. O, magpapagabi na din tayo dito, feeling ko. Papahapon. Mag-mall tayo.
Cause she'll break your heart. Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time? Overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make up my mind? Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush.
Yan, sana may pakapit dyan. May pa-chika show. Ice cream to. So guys, nag-walk pa rin kami sa Avenue of Stars. And medyo lakas ng hangin. Ang sakit na ng hampas ng hangin sa mukha. Ang itim ko na nito after. Yari na naman ako. sa Starbucks. Katabi na niya pala si paring Bruce Lee. Kasi nung nagpunta kami last time dito, ginagawa tong area to. Ayan na po siya. Oh, pumwesto ka na po dyan. Yan. Baka ito yung ginagawa, love, the whole, ayan o, pati yung sa taas. Mukhang tawiran eh. Oo nga, tawiran nga. Ha? Okay lang. Mukhang hindi naman na tayo uuwi eh. Hanggang ano na tayo dito eh. Nasa mall kami, K11 Mall.
Melon ako.
Melon Pokemon. Oo nga. Ano ka dun? It's Givenchy. Oo, yung mga nasa ilalim. So mag-MTR na po kami dahil napagod na kami. I need to see the map. Ayan. So magmamapa po kami. Di-trend na po kami. Napagod na kami. Nasa Tsingtang Subi kami. 2 stops lang. Para makarating sa aming hotel. Guys, nasa Mongkok kami and bukas na yung mga sneaker stores. Yan. So, ang dami na nila and we're going to check them out. Freshen up na din kami galing hotel. And ayan. Ang daming brands. Tingnan namin isa-isa. So, update namin kayo if may nabili kami or wala. Kasi mahal din. May mga nakita akong rubber shoes kanina. I-range din na 6,000 pataas. So, let's see kung may makita tayong sale. But if not, tingin-tingin na lang muna. Here's some stores sa Mongkok. May MAC dito. There's Fenty Beauty here. May Shu Emura sa loob. So, papasok ko. Para siyang Sephora. May favorite ako dito, ang pusit. So, ito yung dating H&M. Sarado na. Ibang mall na siya.
Ano ba yun? Ito?
Parang alam ko ito. Kasi bumili kami nito, guys. Small only. So ito po ang egg waffle. Verdict. Harap.
Ito ba ito? Yung plain eh.
Hello, egg waffle. This is classic. So, kakain kami ng Cafe de Coral. Yan. Daming choices dito.
Let's say goodbye.
Huh?
Bye.
Parang food court nila. Pero mahal din.